Welcome back to the channel, guys. In this episode we're actually going to go to the Wreckers and pick up some brake components. Stay tuned. Thanks for tuning in, guys. If you like anything that you see, give it a thumbs up, and if you haven't yet, please hit that subscribe button. Sit back, relax and enjoy. Let's do it. Alrighty guys, as you can see, I'm still working on the bumper. Did crack it last night because I forgot there's actually a big wave here from where I was impacted. So in between doing that, the brakes have actually worn down quite a bit in the Skyline. And no, I haven't been doing burnouts, holding the brake on. So it's going to be a few days before some new brakes come in, so I'm just going to go duck down to pick apart. There is a Skyline there, it's a sedan. Been checking the brakes are the same, so I didn't notice it because I think it's one of the inside pads that was actually worn all the way down. So we'll go get pretty much a full set if they're there. If not, just all the rear ones and swap them all over. And I'll order 4 rotors and 8 pads. Yeah, because I definitely need that for roadworthy if I want to sell it. Let's get into it. Yeah, not good. Alright, so we're at the V35 sedan. Pick apart. Just pop open the caliper and see how the pads are. Probably won't get the rotors. It's probably not worth it getting them in a few days. I'm going to order them tonight. Already got the left rear out. There's a bit of meat left on them. So this one here is the outside. The inside. You can see it's got a piston that goes onto it. It's already finger tight, so that was quite easy. Alrighty, so we've got this side that isn't finger tight, so I'm gonna have to bust the nut here. Actually it's a bolt, but anyways. I'll get in there and get them off. They've got a lot more meat on them than mine does. So guys, it's 50% off motors at the moment, or engines. I pick apart this week, so might have a look around. Yeah, it's enough for 3 days. Clean them up a bit. Yeah, good enough for 3 days. Alrighty guys, so I just got the 2 pairs of brake pads, and it was $10. Whoa. So let's head home and check them in. Alrighty guys, I'm back. Yeah, just cleaning up here. Bring the Skyline out the back and get these rear pads in. It started to really stick on the way back. So I think I've got it just in time. I think we could have been in big trouble. Here, 21. Let's crack them all. Well, they needed doing up again. Time to jack her up. Just in case. Right, so we need a 14. It's just like what I did at the Wreckers. Just going to crack this top one, which I didn't actually do there. This one was already done. There we go. Alright, got it out. Whew. Alright. This is a joke. So here's the outside one. It's probably 1 mil. And the inside one, it's metal on metal, boys. Do not let it get that low. That's pretty stupid. So there's the temporary ones I just got from the Wreckers. I believe they are the same, which they are. So we'll just put them in. Look how much meat they have on them. And yeah, we'll quickly swap them over. This is picking up Marley. That's good. Don't have to stress here then. I'm definitely going to be pushing the piston back in. So I'll pop the bonnet. I'll get the cap off so we can push it, so the fluid can go back into the reservoir in the front. Alrighty guys, the cap is off on the reservoir. So I just need to get this piston back in, which will be the hardest part. Not really. Everything quite easy. Cool. Look a bit. Pretty simple. Yeah, I'll do the other one. Oh, that's one. Do the other one a bit closer so you can see. But yeah, that was definitely that's what was making the noise. Metal on metal. I've never ever had pads like that before. Alright, so I've got the caliper. Got two 14s, just undoing the top one. That'll come down, you can get them out. So it is the opposite way because it's facing you, so it's this way to undo it. Anybody want to give me some airbags? You can go quite well in here. Put the zip in out. Should just flop down. They're already damaged. Pretty bad. Pop these out. So probably 1.5. Not much. Get in there. Here we go.
push the piston back. So I'm just sticking it through the hole here, as you can see. Just leveraging. And again, I've still got the cap off. So it's allowing the fluid to come out. What we can do is just chuck something else in there. Wedge it a bit. She'll be right. Make sure this boot is good. Screw her back in. I think the front discs are warped, so I'm not going to be getting discs from the wreckers. I'll just get new ones. So changing your brake pads is as easy as that. Definitely something you should not do is wait until they're that far down. If you can start to see the lines, change your pads. Get your rotors machined if they do have a decent lip on them, and your mechanical auto repair person says, nah, just get new rotors. They're not expensive these days, so yeah, it's your life, so you know, make sure you take care of it, and other people's lives too. If you can't stop, you're hitting somebody or something. Right, let's get the wheel on and get it down and make sure these nuts are tight. I'll go around the whole car again from the fronts, and yeah, didn't even realise that they're spring and shock. It's not a coilover, so I'm guessing I can get it if it's free. Make it sit lower. Oh yeah, they all need tightening. And look how much the fluids come up over max. So we're going to get a syringe and take some out. Alrighty guys, got my little syringe, my little medicine, Nurofen. So it's a 5ml one. This might take me a little while. A little waste bucket that I put all my crap in. Stick it out. Start the car up, pump the brakes, see where we're at. Yeah, I'm glad I started it up and did that. I would have shot myself because the pedal went all the way to the floor. So it's about 15ml out, 3 syringes, and no! Oh. Make sure I don't put this back in the house. Keep it up high, just in case. 20ml. That should do it. Clean up time, so move all my tools out of the way. Take a little test drive without you as. I know you helped and everything, but sorry, I'm not going in my car. Alright boys, remember when I was leaving here? Squeaky brakes? Not squeaky anymore. Fixed it. Like, oh my god, it's bumpy, but I've got mud on the mud and stones on the back wheels. And yes, the pads aren't matched to these rotors, so they do kind of need to be bedded in. But heaps better than the last pair. good. No metal on metal anymore, boys. The fronts aren't good. I should check them actually. Maybe another episode I'll check them. Yeah, the front is still all over the shop. So most likely rotors. Guess what, boys? Yep, I need petrol.